Which of the following pairs can be distinguished by iodine and dilute sodium hydroxide? Reaction with iodine and sodium hydroxide is iodoform reaction. That reaction is iodoform reaction. So which type of compounds answer iodoform reactions? Compounds having CH3CHOH group or CH3C double bond O group. Alcohols having CH3CHOH group or aldehydes and ketones having CH3C double bond O group only will answer iodoform reaction. Now let us see first option. First option is N-propyl alcohol and N-butyl alcohol. Means whether we can use iodoform test to distinguish these two compounds or not, we have to check now. So what is the structure of N-propyl alcohol? CH3, CH2, CH2OH. And isopropyl alcohol is N-butyl alcohol is N-propyl alcohol and N-butyl alcohol. N-butyl alcohol is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. This is N-butyl alcohol. So in both the compounds, we do not have CH3CHOH group. There is no CH3CHOH group in both the compounds. So these two compounds cannot be distinguished by iodoform test. Now let us go to second option, N-butyl alcohol and secondary butyl alcohol. So let us write the structure of N-butyl alcohol. N-butyl alcohol is already there. This is N-butyl alcohol. And what is the other compound? Secondary butyl alcohol. Secondary butyl alcohol means CH3CHOH, CH2CH3. So this compound is having CH3CHOH group. So it answers iodoform test. Means it gives yellow precipitate with iodine and sodium hydroxide. But this compound do not give yellow precipitate with iodine and sodium hydroxide. So these two compounds can be distinguished by iodoform test. So what is your answer here? B.